Hello, welcome back to another video of Microsoft Dynamics 365 Finance and Operation. In this particular video, we will talk about the display method and specifically about the caching, and we will start with a question that what is the caching in the context of display methods and why it is beneficial. Okay, and this is the third video regarding the display method. Okay, so let's move to the answer section for this particular question. That what is caching in the context of display method and why it is beneficial. So the answer would be caching in the context of display methods involves retrieving the method's return value from a database or calculating it only once and then storing it for subsequent calls. That means it will fetch the data from the database or it can calculate only one time and it will store in the cache memory for the subsequent call. So whenever the system will call this particular method, it will get the value from the cache memory and it will return the value to the function itself or the method itself. Okay, and this improves the performance by reducing the need to recalculate or refetching the data. Okay, so this improves the performance by reducing the need of re-execution the method each time it is accessed. So that's why it is beneficial, and this is the context of the caching in the display method. Okay, so there can be two type of way by which you can cache a display method. One is the old method using add cache method, so you can use that one. Okay, or there is another way using the attribute. We can add the attribute to the method sys client cache data method attribute. You can also use that one, or there is another way by using the property by adding it to yes. Okay, so we can change it to cache data method to yes. Using that this way also you can cache the method. So here the first one, you can use the cache add method. So the question is, what is the cache add method used for in the context of display method? So this particular cache add method is used to instruct the system's caching mechanism to load the method's return value into the cache for record visible on the screen, and plus some subsequent records it will fetch. So this improves the performance by reducing the number of times the method need to be executed. Okay, so I hope now it's clear that what is the cache add method. Now we already discussed that there is another way. So for that, this one is the question, what is the alternative way to cache display method beside using the cache add method? So in this scenario, you can use the alternative way to cache the display methods. So you have to place the system client cache data method attribute true attribute at the top of the display method. So whenever you will write the display method, then on the top of it you have to add this particular attribute with the true value. So inside the first bracket you have to give the true value, and you already know that how to add a attribute with a third bracket. Within the third bracket you have to put this particular means the system client cache data method attribute. You have to put this attribute, and alternatively you can set the cache data method property of the form control to yes. So you will get it from the property section. So in this section you can see that you have to specify the data method. You have to, if you would write the method, then you have to use this particular if you are writing the display method in the extension, then you have to specify the extension name, and then you have to specify the method name, and there you can see that cache data method attribute is there. You have to change it from auto to yes, then it will work as a cache data method. Okay, So I hope now it's clear. If you have any question, you can write it in the comment section. I'll try to give the solution as soon as possible. So see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.